Okay, it says find the volume of the cube below. If you pay attention, it almost always gives you the name of the shape. Now, cube is a rectangular prism, so you need formula for area of a rectangle and volume of a prism. Now, area of a rectangle is going to give us our capital B, our area of the base. So first we need to shade in the base. So the base of our rectangle, or our rectangular prism, is a rectangle. And that is 8 times 8. That number goes in for capital B. Now, you've used 2 of the 8s. You have 1 more 8 for height. What you get will be your answer. Make sure that your answer is before the decimal, because your answer is going to have a decimal at the end because it's a whole number. Number 2, keywords, triangular prism. You need a triangle formula and a prism formula. What is the shape of the base on a triangular prism? Right? It's a triangle. So the base you're going to shade is right here. Now, for your base for your triangle, you're going to have 8.4. And the height you're going to get from the words. .4 times 1/2 times 50.4. Multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. Is 25.2. That goes in for capital B. Careful with your decimal on this one. All right. Jessica is filling her fish tank with salt water. She is 5 cubic feet of salt water. Will she be able to fill her fish tank full? So we need to know if she's going to have, if 5 feet is enough for this fish tank. What shape is this fish tank? Yep, it's a rectangular prism. So I really don't care what your base is. You can make it the side, you can make it the bottom. It really doesn't matter as long as you use a rectangle formula and a volume formula for a prism. If you use these 2 formulas and you only use each number one time, you will get the right answer. Don't be scared of that fraction. You can turn it into a decimal if you want. Or when you multiply, you're multiplying by the top and dividing by the bottom. So remember that too. Number 6, Joseph is making a sand art pyramid. He wants to fill the bottom half. And will Joseph need to fill half of the pyramid below? This is where they trick you. How much of the pyramid does he want to fill? Only half. So we need to find the volume and then cut it in half. How do you cut it in half? You divide by 2. So we're going to shade the base of our triangular prism, or pyramid, sorry. And you are going to need a triangle formula using 6 and 8 and a volume of a pyramid formula. Now make sure you pause and finish. Pause and finish. Remember that multiplying by 1/3 is the same as dividing by 3. Now right here, you get all this work done, and 80 is your answer, and you are like, yes! And 80 is an answer choice, so you circle it. But you forget you need to fill half of the pyramid. What is half of 80? Joshua cut a piece of pie in the shape shown below. What is the volume in cubic centimeters of the slice of pie? You can see they have shaded the base for you, and that is a triangle. Be careful though, because that is a prism, not a pyramid. So when you're done with your triangle, it should be 15. If you get 30, you forgot to divide by 2. Then your volume is going to be 15 times 4. This morning in Gothenburg, Sweden was -2. The average temperature for Gothenburg is 3.5. What is the difference? It is a big difference. We have to go from 3.5 to 0 and 0 to -2. Remember, boom, boom. Should be a big difference.